Welcome back. In this video, we have to write a program which reads a sequence of positive integers and shows their multiplication and their sum when we enter a negative number. So first of all, let's make an integer sum initialized to 0 and an integer product, and let's initialize it to 1. So I'm going to use a do while loop. This loop will work as long as the input of the user is a positive number. So let's say n is positive. Okay, now I'm going to make another variable and initialize it to 0, and this will be the user input, and inside the loop we will cout enter a number followed by an end line, and let's now take n from the user, and sum should be equal to sum plus n, and the product should be equal to product multiplied by n. So I think this is it. Let's cout sum equals sum, and our product is equal to product, and let me add a space here. And now let's just test the program. So enter a number 1 2 3 4 5, and let's now enter a negative number, so the sum and the product should be displayed -1, and as you can see we have that the sum is 14 and the product is -120, and this is a wrong answer, and I'll show you why. Here, when we are taking n from the user, regardless if it is positive or negative, we're adding it to the sum and multiplying it by the product. This is why we got a wrong answer. So in order to fix this, simply let's add an if statement. If n is negative, we are going to break out of the loop. So for example, if I enter -1, I'm going to break out from the loop, and -1 will not be added to the sum and will not be multiplied by the product. And that's it. Let's just test the program now. Let's enter the same numbers and -1. Now we get the correct answer. Sum is 15 and the product is 120. This is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next.